This is a really cool invention right here, a little quick release hatchet axe. So there's a really nice belt clip. You can clip it on pretty much anything, even without the belt. By the way, that's the brand of it. Just Google it, it'll come up. They have their own website, made in USA. This time I have a belt on, and this is how easy it is to release it. Boom. Grab it like that, put it away, boom. Also, you can put it into the actual pants or shorts. It actually sits even better. So just put it in, and once you need to take it out quickly, boom, quickly release it, put it back in. Super nice. You see that? One hand release, boom, and one hand put it away. Probably two hands, a little bit easier. But yeah, so you have it on the side. It's really skinny. It's honestly not in the way whenever I walk around. So yeah, very unique design for this quick release little hatchet. What do you guys think? Also, it's really thick, high quality materials and stuff. Boom.